Welcome to the REM User Guide video 4. In this video we will show how to use the tool to calculate an economic valuation of emissions. This can be performed in the tool independently of the emissions calculations we've shown in the previous videos. To begin the process, navigate to the Monetization Inputs page. The first thing we need to do is set the appraisal year, which is automatically set to the present year but can be changed by selecting a different year from the drop-down menu. Next, select pollutants that are required. We have monetary values for NOx, PM2.5 and CO2e. Within those, both PM2.5 and NOx have options associated with them, in line with the Transport Appraisal Framework Guidance and references therein to the European Commission documents. Use the radio buttons to select between rural, suburban and urban for PM2.5 and rural and urban for NOx. The next item to fill in is the emissions input table. This can be done using emissions data which have been obtained using the REM tool or emissions data which have been obtained from another source. Simply enter tons of pollutants for the opening year, design year and, if required, horizon year. This can be done by typing them in or, if data have been saved in a spreadsheet, they can be pasted into the table multiple cells at a time. Note that the delta columns here is the difference between the DS and the DM for each pollutant and are calculated automatically. There are additional advanced features to assist in calculation of economic valuations. These are use of custom damage costs, where users can input their own damage costs into a tool with appropriate justification. As with all inputs, a template is available in the download menu. Users can also select to turn off discounting, and the final option is to populate the emissions input table based on outputs from a batch file. This will be discussed further in the next video, which covers all aspects of building and running batch files. Once data have been entered and the inputs are selected, we can expand the cost-benefit analysis summary box to obtain our 30-year and 60-year summary. Clicking the button below takes us to a full breakdown of interpolated emissions, damage costs used by the tool, and yearly valuations. All data can be downloaded from the Downloads output page.